Hi everyone, welcome. Today, yes, we have a summer additional. Yes, in today's newspaper on Thursday, July the 14th, 2022. Yeah, a lot of puzzles here, but Sudokus not as much as before. We have here four Sudokus. Well, this is a tectonic. And those puzzles I'm not interested. Crossword puzzles. Here also a big page with crossword puzzles. Swedish puzzles, I believe. This is Swedish puzzle. Alright. So we have four puzzles. And yeah. Letter Sudoku. Sudoku with 2 stars. With 3 stars. And the tectonic with 4 stars. Cyber block. Yes, in Dutch. Well, let me start with the first one. The letter Sudoku. Yeah, let me start with the letter Sudoku. Is this let me see. No, let me start with the 3 4 3 4. Well, yeah. Letter Sudoku. No problem. I hate those letter Sudokus because lately the publisher publish letter Sudokus with more than with letters with more the with the same letter. Yeah, here we have 4 times an E, so it will be difficult. 4 times an E. All right. The letter Sudoku. Let me count the letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 27 20 digits. Letters. By the way, this will be number 4850. Sometimes, if you have more than the same letter, there's more solutions. It's not only one solution, but more. And yeah, one time my puzzle is unsolved. Yeah. Anyway, for letter Sudoku, if those letters are not the same, but only you can use it one time, then my time limit is 15 to 20 minutes. But I see here problems because we have 4 E's, so it will be difficult. And the goal is to solve this word in the last row. Yes. All right, so let's get started. Let me see. We have the R here, okay. P. I will start with the letters, not with the E, but with the other letters, because though, oh, we have 2 R's. Wow, that will be difficult. 2 R's. So I cannot start with the R and the E. So the P, the N, and the T are left. Okay, P in the third column, P in the second column. So the first column, no, only 3 places left for the P. Should be here, or there. We see here P in this row. So no P there, P could be here, could be there. P, N, and the T. So the E should be here, and the R should be there in these 3 boxes. And there, the 3 boxes. Yeah. Well, will be difficult. Okay. So in a big square, we need 2 R's and 4 E's. Well, we have here in this column 2 R's already. So here cannot be an R. So the only place left for the R should be here. So the other two boxes left should be the E's. Okay, the E's. Okay. And we have 3 E's here. So we need an E in one of those rows. Okay. Here cannot be an R. Here cannot be an R. So here should be an R. Here an R or there an R. We have an R in this first row. So, well, yeah, here could be also an R. Yeah. Well, P. Well, we have here in the last row a P, and in this big square we need a P, so no P in these two boxes. So the P could be here, could be there. T, yeah, T in this row, T in the last row. So the row between, only 3 places left for the T should be here, or there. We see a T in this column, third column. So no T there, so the T could be here, could be there. Yeah. P, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a P. We have a P in this column, so no P in these two boxes here. P in this second row, so no P in those 3 boxes. So the P could be here, could be there. So we have a P in this column, P in one of those 2 boxes. In the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the P should be here or there. We see a P in the last row, so no P there, P should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes with a P. Now we have a P in this row, so this box can't be P anymore. That box should be a P. Okay. P. Difficult. Alright, so P and N is missing, yes. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing letter in this row is the letter N. Well, we have an N in this middle column, so no N there, so the N could be here, could be there. So this box should be an E, because we need 2 E's. We have in a row or in a column or in a big square, we need 4 E's. Well, we have 2 E's. 1, 2, 3 missing letters. Those missing letters are 2 E's and an N. So this box should be definitely an E. So here an E or there an E. Okay, but I do not know in which order. So we need to figure it out. E, yeah. These 2 boxes in a column, we need 4 E's. We have here 2 E's. So those 2 boxes should be an E. Okay. Then 3 missing numbers, letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is the N. We have an N in the middle column, so no N there, so the N could be here, could be there. So what are the other 2 missing letters? The E is missing 2 E's. Yeah, 2 E's. 2 E's. Here could be E, there could be an E. Yeah. Do not know where. Okay. P, T. How about the N? Here could be an N. How about the R then? We need an R. Here we need two R's. No. Yeah, we have one R here. Thinking and thinking. No, we need an R here. Here we have an R. Can I place the R there? Could be an extra R. Need an R. Where's the double R? How about the T? Here should be the T. T. P. Ay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 E's. So the P, the N, and the T, and the R is left. P cannot be here. Could be here or there. The T could be here or there. And the N could be everywhere. And the R, well, could be also everywhere. We need an R. Yeah. E. Yeah. I hate those puzzles with more than the same letter. And cannot be here. And could be here. P and T. 1, 2, 3. 2 E's. Think. I'm stuck. 1, 2. E. Could be E there. Could be E there. The N and the T. Need a T. Here cannot be a T. So the T in this column could be here. Could be there. The N should be here. P and T. Okay. So the E and the R. E or the R. E or the R. But we have a double R here. So I cannot place the R here. So the R should be here. Yeah, in this column. Yeah, we have 2 R's in this big square. So here cannot be no. So here it should be the double E. Because we have 2 E's. So those 2 boxes should be in E. But I do not know in which order. So we have here 4 E's. Alright. The N. So what letter is this one? This should be the letter P and T, double R, 4 E's. What letter is this one? Wow. P N T 1, 2, 3, 4 E's, 2 R's. I'm missing something. 1, 2, 3, 4. P and T, P and T, P and T, double R. We have a double R here. What letter is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 E's. Oh no! Wait. We have a double R here. So here cannot be R, so the R should be here, and a T. So the N and the E, but then it's not correct. We need 4 E's. Oh, we already have 2 R's here in this column. So it's not correct. We already have 2 R's here and there. Okay. So the T, the N should be here, and one of these should be an E, and one of these should be also an E. Okay. Now I made the correction. Okay, so 1 E, second E, third E, and 1. Okay, so what letter is this one? Should be an E. 1 E, 2, 3, and this is number 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, and here should be 1 E. In one of these 3 boxes. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. And then an E. Okay. Yeah. Thinking. 1, 2, 3. Here could be E, here, or there. Come on. Double R. We have an R here. Need an R. 3. Here, or there. Ay. PP. PPP. Well. Here should be also an extra R and an E. 1, 2, 3. R E. R E. R E. Extra R. Okay. Yeah. P cannot be. PPP. Ay. N and a T. N and a T should be here. Maybe an E, maybe an R. 1, 2. 1, 2. Maybe 1. The R here. Here and R, there and R. Need an R here. An R here. Ay, 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 ay. I think I'm stuck. So the N is. I think this box cannot be an N, otherwise the word will be and ta. Well, this is a strange word. Ta, yeah. I think this box should be an E. But with the Sudoku, you cannot guess. You need to be sure. The T. Okay. Need an E here. Two E's. Maybe three. One Yeah. Well, let me put the E here, because otherwise this will be a strange word. Until not Dutch word. So this should be an E. This should be an N. So the N should be in one of those two boxes. N. And 1, 2, 3. E could be here. Need an R. We need an R. 1, 2, 3, 4. R, T. Here we have two E's is missing. One R. Two E's. And two E's and an R and an N. All right. 23 minutes. I hate these kind of letter Sudokus. Publish TTT. TTTT. TTTT. PPP. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2. I'm stuck. PNT. E, two E's. Well, I can put here two E's and two E's there. We need four E's here. So two E's, okay. Then we have four E's. So I know I cannot put three E's there. Can I put 3 E's? No, then we have 5 E's in one big square. So 2 E's there and 2 E's there, but I do not know in which order. So the R, we need 2 R's here. And I know that the P should be there, the T should be also here, and the N should be here, the P and the T. So the R should be here, P and T R in these. So the R, we have one R here in this row, but I do not know in which order. That's the question. So double E, double R, and here also double E, double R. Okay. Well. E R P T N the R should be here. Well. This could be an R. Yeah. Place the R here, then we have here three E's. So need one E here. And I think because here are the P, T, and the R. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 E's. So here cannot be an E anymore. Yeah. So we need an E in one of these 3 boxes. The E. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the P, the N, the P, the N, the T, and the R are left. The P here cannot be a P. The T could be here. P, T, and an R. Wow. Could be an R there. Could be an R here. We need an E here. And the R here. Can I put 2 R's here? I cannot put 2 R's here in the last row. So it must be 1 R here or there. And there also 1 R and the E, R. E and R. Yeah. So what letter is this one then? E and R. This box should be an R. Yeah. It cannot be. I cannot place double E here. Otherwise we have 5. So it's the E or the N. This box should be an R. Okay. R. So we need an R here. double R, double E. Okay. Well, I can solve this. Erpeter. Well, I know what the word is if you can puzzle, but I want to solve this whole puzzle. I know the word is in Dutch repeteren, in English repetition. Yeah. Repetition, repeteren. Yes. Okay. ER, one R, second R. So we need one E. Yeah, one E here. Here, there, and we need an R here. Okay. Yeah. But I know, yeah, the word is we have solved this, but I need to solve the whole puzzle. But this otherwise it has no sense for Sudoku. You need to solve the whole puzzle, and yeah, those. I hate. No P, no P, 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 P. Yeah, it could be a P here. Oh, also. There also. T, T. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. So no E's here. R could be here, could be there. P and T, P and T. Here we have an N. One E, two E's, 3, 4. Okay. One, two, maybe 3 here. Need an R here. Yeah. Need an R. One R here, one R there. One R here. Uh, 33 minutes. Well, I will stop. Not more than 1 hour because need to figure it out. No P. So the N, the R, and the T. R and the T. Could be here. The E. Need one E there. So I know one, the second, the third, and fourth. So this cannot. No. And this should be the N, the R, and the T, or the P. Yeah, here could also be a P. P. And we have here the R, the second R, and the T. Ah, what a mess, what a mess. PRT. Could be here, could be there. Need one E. And could be here also. PP. This could be also a P. How about T, 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 T. Yeah, yeah. Could be not. How about this one? Yeah. One, two. No T here. T, T, T. N, N, N. No N here. Well, looks like I cannot solve this anymore. N, N, R. R should be here. One R. No. Maybe two R's here. Two E's. Here could be the, there could be the, here. Oh. I'm stuck. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. No E's. Here cannot be an E. So here an E. Here. 2 E's. So 2, maybe 3. Here an E or there an E. Or maybe 2. 2, 3, 4. Yeah, maybe 2. So here could be an E, there could be an E. But it's not helping me because, yeah, this kind of Sudokus, well, I know the word is repeteren. Let me choose one of the letters then. Okay. Here could be an R, there could be an R, or here could be an R. We have 2 R's. Well, I don't know if this technique can use by with letters with more than 2 the same. You can say we have a R in this column, R in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places left for the R should be here, here, or there. We have an R here. So no R there, here, and R in this row. No R there, so 1 box left for the R should be there. So those 2 should be an E then. Okay. Okay. We need an E and an R there also. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4. So this cannot be an E anymore. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So 4 E's. The N, the P, the T, and R. Here can be an N. Could be an N here. The P could be here. One of these or this one could be in P. 1, 2, 3. 4. So here, one of these 2 should be an E. This one or that one? That's the question. Here or there? Ay. Here or there? N or the P? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here cannot be an E. Here also not be an E. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. This 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can be an E. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, let me do this technique. R in the first row, R in the third row. So the row between the second row, only 2 places left for the R should be here or there. You see here the R in this column, so no R there, R should be here. R in this column, R in that column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the R should be here or there. We see an R in this row, so no R there, so the R should be there. But it could be also here because we need 2 R's. Okay. So the P, the T, and the N. P, T, N. I left the P, the T, and N. The P and the T, the P and the T and N. Okay. The mess, what a mess. Need an R here. Double R. P and a T. Need an R here. Because here cannot be an R. It's reserved for the P, the N, and the T. Okay. So the R should be one of these 3. And the E. Yeah. 44 minutes, 10 minutes. Let me guess. Try and error. N. We have an N. So here an N or there an N. Yeah. No N here. No N. N, N, N. N, N, N. No N here. N, N, N. T, R, and E. Double E. Double E. Put the E here. We need an E. Third E. And maybe here an E. Yeah. Let me do this. Try and error. The E and the N here. So now we have two E's. So two E's should be here. T, E, and the R. I need the R here. We have here two E's. Maybe here also an E. Let me guess. Here an E, there an E. Then this should be an N. 1, 2, 3, 4. One R. The T, I need a T. It's here the T or there the T. T and R. This is R. No, we need an R here. This should be a T. And this should be the R. Then we have a double R here. This should be a T. This should be an E. 1, 2, 3, 4. T, T, T. 1, 2, 3, 5 E's. So it's not correct. Not correct. Maybe I need to delete this one. We have two E's, so those two should be an E. 1, 2, 3, 4. This should be an R then. This should be an E. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. This box should be an P and T, another R. Then we have 3 R's. No, 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 no. With 2 R's. Can I switch this? Do we have an N here? No, we need an N here. So this should be the N. Not that one. So this should be an N. This should be an E. 1, 2, 3, 4. This should be an N. And this should be A, P, and T, the R. Now we have double R. Okay. So the P and the N are missing. P and N. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. P and N. But I do not know in which order. R. Need a R here. Then we have two R's here. Oh no, we have two R's here. We need a R here. The P, the N, and the T. N, T. N, T. P and a T. Well, the T should be in one of those two boxes. T cannot be here. Well. Double R here, so this cannot be an R anymore. This should be an E. Need an R in one of those two boxes and a P. E and a T. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. The N here and N on there and N. We have an N here, so this box should be an N. Okay, so E and a T are left. E and a T. Can here could be an R. One R. Two R's, so here cannot be an R. No R. E, T, R, P. Here can also not a P. R and a P cannot be here. Oh, well, 1, 2, yeah. R and a P cannot be here. R and a P. Could be a T. But a T could be a T. Here cannot be a T. T, T, T. T, T. Yeah. This box or that box. So how about this box then? Need to guess. One E and a T, R and a P. If I place the P here, then the P should be here. Yeah. Let me try an error. P here. P. We have a P here, so this should be the P. So now I need an E. R and a P. We need a, so this should be an R. So E and the T are left. The E and the T, okay. So we have a pair here, the E and T. Here pair. So here can be a T. We have a T there. How about the N? Nope. PT. Here. 1, 2 E's. Need another E here. Another E. And an R here. But we have R here. So here can be an R. R should be in one of those two. Double E. E, E, E. Well, let me choose P, 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 P. We have a double R here. We need two E's and an R. This should be an E because we have double R here. So this should be an E, okay. So 1, the 2, maybe 3. And we need an E. 1, 2, 3. Wait. 1. Here cannot be an E. We have 4 E's. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Here. This should be the E. This should be also an E. This should be a T. Wait. Here. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 E. So this should be a T. This should be an E. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. The R and the E. R and E. How about this? 1, 2, 3, 4. This should be, we have double R, also P, N, and this should be the T. Okay. T, T, T. So P and the R are left. P and R, P and R, P and the, no, P and the N. P and the N. This cannot be an N, so that box should be an N. This box should be a P. This should be a P. P, 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 okay. Wow, what a mess. P, 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 alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the R is missing and the N is missing. We have an N here, so this box should be an N. This should be P and T, the R. 2 R's, 2 R's, so this cannot be an R anymore. That box should be an R. This box should be an E. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 E's. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh, the R's. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay. Seems this is the solution. But when you compare this with the solution, it's total different. Total different. Yeah. Okay, 59 minutes. Let me show you the solution here. Letter Sudoku. Alright. So it starts with the R. Double E, 4 E's, and then NTPR. Well, start with the R. Well, my solution start with the E. So I've told you there are more solutions for the letter Sudokus if you have more than one the same letter. So so I dislike this kind of Sudokus because but I've solved it, but not the same solution, other solution, and the word is repetition. Repeteren. Alright, 1 hour. Wow. And yeah, it's not quite a Sudoku, I believe, because there are more solution. Publisher, this is the proof. Alright, thank you, and we will meet you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.